On the way ho tayo ngayon sa Lusail International Circuit para sa preparation sa F1 Formula 1. Ngayon po kasi ang accreditation ng mga gate pass namin. So ngayon po ay nasa kahabaan na po tayo ng Lusail Road. Ayan po, underpass po ang daan natin. Parang nasa Cubao lang, no? Maraming sasakyan pero hindi matraffic kasi medyo maluwag yung ano natin, yung daan natin. Napapansin nyo rin yun, yung may Sun Tower, Sun Building. Yung sign ho yan, guys. Ang design ko sa pinaka mamahalin na hospital yung W Hospital. Isa yan sa mamahaling hospital dito sa Qatar. Yung hospital na yan ay mayroon yung hotel din sa may hotel din dyan. Underpass na naman tayo. Papasok na tayo sa racetrack. Yan. Yung racetrack na natin, handang-handa na siya. Talagang F1 na F1 na ito. Tuloy-tuloy lang kami. Oh, commercial to. ngayon yung pinulay. Ito ang starting point. So ito na nga guys, nandito na tayo sa Qatar Martial Club at magpaparegistered na po tayo. Andiyan na po si Franco. Ayan na, nilalakad na nila yung pass natin. Ayan.
Look for his name.
So ito na guys, nakuha na natin yung access natin. Ayan na. Ready na tayo nito para sa F1 Formula 1.
With the help of your crew, put the fire extinguisher, put the fire extinguisher inside the box. This one, yes. Okay, the surface flag, ball and the no. Okay, Marshall post 12, car 55, crash into the wall. Post number and where is the location of the incident. Okay, I need the turn number. Your post number is not enough. Your post number is to identify you. Trap at some places on the track to reduce the amount of track limits. Okay, because the driver, if they don't have anything where they can be. What else? So, concerning your track intervention, you already have seen this presentation last year. Yeah. Same situation, we have the neutral button. Neutral button. We go on standby at the opening and we stay on standby. We don't access the track. Okay? Do not enter the track without your equipment and protection. Okay? Because your uniform is also for your safety. I insist, but it's very important. We will have a lot of camera. Everybody will. Go directly on track. The guys are.
Tapos na kami sa briefing guys. At ngayon kami po ay magti-training na. Pupunta na po kami sa racetrack. Ayan na po yung bagong access namin. Ayan. Ngayon pupunta na po kami sa sa racetrack. Saglit lang na training ito. Kung paano, kung kunyari may ma-crash, may masisiraan na sasakyan, kung paano namin i-rescue. 'Yun, tuturuan kami ng ganun. Boss, musta? Yan ho yung gagamitin namin sa training ngayon. Pwesto na. Tuturuan kami yan kung paano namin hihilain, kung paano namin tutulungan yung partner. House namin. So, yung hospital na yan, mayroon dyan. So So ito na guys, nakuha na natin yung access na.
This one is okay. What else? So
May ma-crash, may masisiraan na sasakyan kung ano, kung paano na. Wala, mamamatay. Okay. Isa humawak sa steering wheel. Tatlo na.
Instruct to run on the runner, okay?
8 years already. What is your position, brother? Mas maganda ito, guys. Hello po. Kaharap doon, pabalik.